Today, the Maltese islands still boast a wealth of beautiful natural landscapes and biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of animal species, flora and fauna, natural habitats and ecosystems. Countries around the world have protected their natural heritage by having a system of nature parks which actively manage the most important parts of the countryside and biodiversity. Considerable progress has been made in the conservation and management of Malta's built heritage, but there has been less progress in the management of Malta's natural heritage. A park system should have an independent national management structure to oversee all protected natural areas in the Maltese Islands, just as the Superintendents of Cultural Heritage and Heritage Malta work to protect and manage cultural heritage together with NGOs like Helwa and others. A nature parks management system will ensure that we enjoy our natural heritage and leave it for our children. It must also be recognized as an economic resource, for example, through agriculture and tourism. The countryside also helps people to relax and escape from the pressures of daily life. Being away from people, traffic and noise can generate a feeling of well-being. 88% of the population believe that Malta should have more protected nature sites. The government must take concrete action to protect the countryside and stop using it for projects deemed too expensive to be carried out in development zones. The Maltese government must move away from treating the countryside as a cheap resource to be developed. It must understand that it is a valuable resource and protect it from exploitation and speculation. In the last 40 years, we have lost much of our countryside to poor development and inappropriate building. The countryside is threatened by dumping and littering, off-roading, illegal prohibition of access to the countryside, and more. 97% of people in Malta believe that the countryside needs to be protected more. Let's save the countryside together.